Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and I am going to be doing a career profile presentation for marriage and family therapy. My husband and I lived in Colorado Springs before we decided to go back to school in Rexburg, so I decided to look up an organization for marriage and family therapy in Colorado Springs, and I found one called Centered Life, and it is actually a Christian therapy center. For a working environment, marriage and family therapists are employed through various means. About a quarter of those in America were employed by state and local governments as of 2010. Some therapists work in outpatient mental health facilities, while others are self-employed. Typically, they work full-time hours and they have to be flexible to accommodate their clients' needs, meaning that they often have to work nights and weekends. They are obviously very family friendly, and they work with a range of options from marriage counseling to individual counseling, adolescent, entire families, and etc. Organizationally, they usually share one facility with a few other therapists. There are a lot of typical stressors that marriage and family therapists have. Some people that need therapy can be fairly exhausting to work with, and therefore the therapist must have a lot of patience and empathy. Also, they must work with insurance companies, and that's always a huge headache. Generally, they don't work normal hours, so they may not get to see their families as often as they may like. Another stressor is establishing a client base so that they're able to support themselves. They also have to do their best to be non-biased so that they can help the entire group work through their problems. Also, they're literally in the middle of arguments all the time, which can be very stressful. Because most marriage and family therapists work full-time hours, full benefits are usually offered, especially if working for the government. However, it all depends upon the organization that you work for. Also, if you're self-employed, you have to plan for your own benefits. Some common job tasks are obviously in a therapy session. You have to provide treatment or help to the clients, whether it be for some life-changing event, an illness or disorder, all of those kind of things. Also, therapists must provide a treatment plan, help other professionals with their situations, diagnose when someone has a mental illness or disorder, have to refer to others when something comes up that will be out of their range of expertise, and they have to deal with insurance companies so that they get paid. In order to be a marriage and family therapist, you have to have a master's degree. Also, there's usually a supervised practical, like an internship, that is required to earn your degree. After that, they have to become a licensed professional before legally practicing. That's usually through a state board of some sort. Also, there are annual continuing education courses that they must attend. The annual salary range for a marriage and family therapist is $23,870 to $72,280, with a mean annual wage as of 2010 being $47,530 a year. Just some little side notes of things that will help being a marriage and family therapist is being good with people, being able to clearly communicate, being understanding, non-judgmental, patient, and relaxed despite stressful situations. So despite all of the stressors and everything, marriage and family therapy is a very rewarding career, especially for people who are empathetic and want to help people. So that's it.